Mazda's 46G Machine Gray is a special effect metallic color which gives the finish a sculpted from solid steel appearance. The OEM process utilizes an exotic three-coat system made up of a black color coat, followed by a high-brightness leafing aluminum layer, and topped with a clear coat. Given this unique three-coat finish and its relatively thin film build, the procedure for performing quality small to medium spot repairs of this color differs from PPG's normal waterborne base coat system process, especially in how the surface is prepped and how the base coat is applied. Prior to applying any color on the vehicle, color check panels must be produced following the same application methods that are required for the actual refinish repair. So follow these steps in creating the color check panels. Look up the 46G color code in PPG's Paint Manager program software and mix the base coat color according to the formula. Reduce the base coat 2:1 with waterborne reducer. Then check the base coat's viscosity. It should be 15 to 16 seconds using a DIN 4 cup. The waterborne spray gun for this repair uses a smaller 1.0 to 1.2 fluid tip, and best results can be achieved by restricting fluid. So close the fluid feed, then open 1 to 1.5 turns out. The method for applying the 46G base coat requires an X-pattern cross-coat technique with a 90% overlap. It's the proper way to align the leafing aluminum correctly. Arrange the G7 color cards so 3 to 4 coats of base coat color can be applied. Using the cross-coat technique with reduced air pressure, apply 3 to 4 thin wet coats to the G7 color cards. Thoroughly dehydrate each layer before applying the next. Do not apply a final control coat, which would create coarseness or too much sparkle. Now for the clear coat. After mixing your preferred premium clear for your PPG waterborne system, apply the first coat of clear as a light tack coat. Overwetting may result in blotchiness. Flash for 5 minutes, then apply 2 additional coats of clear using the normal clear coat application method. After the color cards are dry, evaluate the color check panels against the vehicle's color and choose the closest blendable match. In some cases, tinting may be required. Once satisfied, you're ready to perform the repair on the vehicle. After completing the bodywork on the repair, sand the entire repair area for the sealer you're using. If using urethane G7 or SG07 sealer, sand with P400 to 600 grit. If using waterborne G7 or SG07 base coat, use P800 to P1000 grit. Then sand the blend panel with P1200 to 1500 dry, and hand sand on edges with P1500, being extremely careful not to sand through the thin film build of the OE finish. Further refine the blend area with P1000 Trizac wet to minimize any deep scratches or pigtails. Next, apply and blend out the sealer as needed to eliminate any hard edge of the sealer color. After flashing, sand the sealer with P800 to 1000 to provide a smoother substrate. Next is the application of a wet bed. Reduce T490 or P990-8999 with 40% waterborne thinner and apply to the entire repair area. You're now ready for the base coat. Your spray gun should be adjusted the same as it was for the color check panels. Employing the cross-coat technique, apply 3 to 4 thin wet coats of the reduced 46G base coat, making sure to dehydrate and to tack off the repair between coats. Extend each coat further from the repair until hiding is achieved. Remember, do not apply a final control coat. A control coat will orient the leafing aluminum on top of the base coat, causing coarseness or increased sparkle. After the base coat has completely dehydrated, it's a good idea to check for any blotchiness before proceeding. Next, mix the clear coat to be applied. Then apply the first coat of clear as a light tack coat and avoid any overwetting. Allow the tack coat to flash for 5 minutes. Then apply 2 additional full wet coats of clear, using your normal clear coat application methods. That's it! By adhering to these repair procedures for small and medium spot repairs, you can achieve an accurate blendable match for Mazda's beautiful 46G finish. Part 2 of this Mazda 46G repair video covers the slightly different procedures for a full panel repair.